Okay, let's start by taking off the rear view mirror. You will need an 8mm socket here. Oh, and do not forget to disconnect the wiring harness first. Next, remove the original mirror glass. Just hold the bottom part of the glass and pull it out gently. Once you hear the click from the clips, lift it up a bit, and it should come off easily. Now grab a Phillips screwdriver to take off the bezel and the rear cover of the mirror. Then, remove the original turn signal light from the rear cover. Now, it is time to install the new turn signal lights. Use the original screws to secure it in place. Put the bezel and the rear cover back on making sure they fit properly. Now re-install the rear view mirror. Connect the wiring harness first, then use the screws to fix it in place. Finally, put the mirror glass back on. And for the other side, just follow the same steps.